So now let's see how we can work around with neon glow and outer glow effect inside of HitFilm. So over here you can see that I have this particular clip, and in order to work around with neon glow and outer glow effect, I'm going to go around under the effects tab right here. So once I go around over here, I'm going to go around under lights and flares folder right here, and over here you can see that neon glow is an option. So let me just go around and click and drag this out, and then you get the neon glow effect as you can see right here. So there's a glow around as you can see, and you can change around the intensity of the glow. Then you can go around and change around the color of the glow according to how you want as well. So you can go around and change around the expansion right here, just like this, to change around how much is covered, and change around the radius of the glow as well. And then you can go around and change it around onto multiply, onto add, onto screen, and so forth as you can see, and clamp it out to the edges as well. So just like this, you can see that you can go around and make around the changes. So let me just go around onto the intensity and then increase this out right here, and you can see like as I go around and then change around the radius and so forth, that is what you have right here. So you can see that there's this edges and everything right here, which just goes around as you can see right here. So you can go around and then expand this out right here and change around the radius and so forth, and then change around the glow according to how you want. Apart from that, you can also go around and add in outer glow right here, and once you add in the outer glow, there is a glow outside of the clip as well as you can see. So you can go around and change around the color as you can see right here, or choose a color for the glow as you can see, just like this. And you can change around the opacity of the glow right here, the size of the glow over here, and you can spread out the glow as well, and even change around the offset of the glow right here. And you can click and drag it around, and you can see the glow like a shadow right here, just like this as you can see. And that is how you can work around with neon glow and outer glow inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.